should not fear their government. Government should fear their people. Freedom is not free. There's a price to pay, and we're losing our freedom because we didn't pay the price of being ever vigilant. Right now, we have the highest unemployment rate in the entire country. We have the worst economic conditions in the entire country. We have the worst education system in the entire country. We're leaving this behind for the next generation. You want to do something about it? Stop voting the lesser of two evils. Vote for people that are part of we the people. I am we the people. I'm a frustrated voter just like you. Go to nightingaleforgovernor.com. Again, nightingaleforgovernor.com. I'm Chelene Nightingale.